welcome back to Protect, Live, and Survive. Just a quick tip. You're out, you're stuck, you have nothing on you except this and a snot rag or a napkin. What do? Hang out, I'll show you in a minute. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Protect, Live, and Survive. You have one of these snot rags or these napkins and a survival bracelet. Let me show you how to get a fire going with a napkin. Might not be ideal, but it'll go on fire and you only have seconds before you can actually ignite whatever tinder sources you've gathered, okay? So make sure you get a lot of dry leaves and twigs and brushes, or maybe bird's nests or something that can help you accumulate that fire, right? So check it out. What you're gonna do is, I'm gonna use a small portion so I don't burn the house down, right? But you want to take your napkin, you want to fray it up, okay? You want to tear pieces into it, you want to get it fuzzy and stuff, right? See there? You take your little survival bracelet, built-in ferro rod, okay? Get that fire going. Might take a few strikes, but let's go. Let's check it out. So make sure I'm getting sparks. There we go. There you go. You have a fire. Alright? Welcome to PLS, guys. Protect them and survive. Oh yeah. Like I said, you only have seconds, but every second counts.